Water is life. But we waste lakhs of gallons of water every year per house because of overflow. But what difference does it make to us? Our groundwater depletes day by day. Overflow water accumulates at one place and it can cause many diseases. Power gets wasted every year for unnecessary idle running time of motor. Slabs get damaged due to accumulation of water on rooftops. And if we want the water not to overflow, we have to very carefully switch off the motor before it does. We have to climb the steps for checking the water level frequently to ensure the motor is switched off at the right time every time. Don't you wish your life was easier with no water overflow problem? Jalraksha, an innovative solution for water overflow problem. Jalraksha is a low-cost solution with high durability and it's an electro-mechanical device. Jalraksha is maintenance-free and trouble-free to install. Jalraksha is safe and shock-proof. We have been recognized by eminent organizations and have received CSR grant by HDFC Bank. We are incubated at Atal Incubation Center, SKU Anantapur. Thank you for trusting in us. With 1-year warranty. Still, who cares if the water overflows?
That's close and good.
If you are really concerned, call us or visit our website. Multiple models for multiple applications. All our starters are suitable for any type of water tanks and sumps. Avantech Innovation Private Limited.